All right, you guys, today is day 3 of our penguin kit. We got a cute little penguin. Got a lot of numbers on his belly. What do you think we're gonna do, Miss Rachel?
I think we're gonna be using something with numbers. Are we gonna be feeding him some fish today?
We are going to feed our penguin fish. You should have a bag full of fish, the non-smelly fish.
That's right.
And you should have your dye. Okay. We are feeding our penguin fish because it is one of their main food sources. They like to swim down, catch it, eat it, except for the babies.
They need a little extra help.
They need a little extra help. Miss Rachel?
Yes.
I know you have a quick story about penguins.
I do. And this was a couple Christmases ago. We were at the aquarium in Utah and we got to feed the penguins. It was the neatest experience. We got a bucket full of fish, whole fish.
I bet it smelled great.
It smelled like fish. And you would hold the fish over their beaks and they would come right up to you and just grab it and swallow it whole.
They don't even chew.
No, at
They
least
just
not these.
swallow it whole, huh?
These penguins were hungry and they wanted to eat. So they just ate that fish up whole, just gobbled it up. It was so cool. Such a neat experience.
Was it cold?
It was. We actually had to put on like these parkas.
Okay, so you had the cold penguins.
Yeah. They're the ones that lived in Antarctica.
Do you remember which kind of penguin it
I
was?
want to say it was Gen 2 penguins.
Okay.
I think. I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so the aquarium gave you big heavy coats and you walked into this really, really cold room and the penguins waddled in and they came right up to you and just started demanding the fish from the bucket. It was just so cool. So neat.
Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, so we have our fish. We have them laid out. We are going to roll our die, and then we are just going to play a matching game.
Okay.
Okay, try to cover our board. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, Miss Chrissy, this one doesn't have our dots.
Think.
Okay, well, I know that's not.
No, that's a 1.
I know that's not.
That's a 3.
Is this one?
That's a 4. No.
How about here?
There it is. That's
There
the
you
number
go.
5.
All right, so once you find one, give it a fish. Okay? All right, that one's an easy one.
1 dot for number 1.
Okay. Ooh, 2. Are we going to
2.
go in order?
Ooh, wouldn't that be nice and
All
convenient?
right, where is a 2? Right there. Look at those fish swimming around in his belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, where is a 6? Oh,
There it
there we
is.
go.
Oh, almost off the table.
All right, we got a 1.
There you go.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who is knocking at my door? I don't know where that even came from. All right, there is 4. Oh, off the table.
Woo.
I saved it.
Miss Chrissy saves the day.
1, 2, 3. Let's go over here, fill up some of this board.
3 again.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got a couple left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 1 left.
Oh, okay.
Better not roll that again, or he's gonna be hungry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Covering this board. 2. That one's easy. You can just look at that one and see.
Yep.
3.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3. I think that
That's
is
the
our last
number
3. Oh, 6.
Ooh, I don't see any 6s over here. I think we've used them all.
Me neither. So you know what you can do? And at your bottom of the board, why don't you write the 6? Did I write it the right way?
You did.
Wow. You can even add your dots if you want. If you are out of 6s. All right. Oh,
Ooh.
3. I'm out.
Add 3s.
All right. Come on. Is this the right?
Yes.
All right. Come on. I need a 4. Oh, I got a 1. All right. That's good.
Fill that up.
Maybe if I can pick up my fish. All right. Oh, I got lucky.
Ooh, you did get
2.
lucky. Chrissy and her dice
right.
game. She's so lucky.
All right. I only have 1 left.
Let's see.
Mwah, mwah.
Nope.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, goodness. Writing upside down is so hard.
I'm sorry. That's backwards.
I wasn't finished writing.
Sorry. Anticipatory. There you go.
All right.
See, that was beautiful. Nice job.
Ah.
All right.
All right. Oh, man. 1, 2, 3. Again. Oops. Boop, boop, boop. 2.
Yes. You're good.
Boom, boom.
There you go.
It's a silly looking 2. Come on, 4.
Man.
All right. That's all right. We'll get there. Come on, 4. Ugh. All right. Seriously?
Seriously.
It's like, Miss Chrissy, your 2s are not looking pretty. Let's see how many times we can do it. All right, we got 6. Wonder how lucky you are if
Right.
you can finish your whole board. Oh,
there
my
it
goodness.
is.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's the last one. There you go. Whew. That was a big one. All right, you guys, when you are done, erase everything. Don't leave it on there to dry up, even though if it happens, it just takes a little more oomph to get it off, but you don't want it to dry up on there. Scoop up all your fish. You can put it back in your bag. If you don't want to put your fish on there and you want to roll the die, and then you can also trace the letters on, the numbers on the board as well. Okay? All right, you guys. Flip over your board. I'm going to show you one more thing before we go. When you are ready, roll. Okay? So what did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. It's that time.
Oh, boy.
Okay. Just see 5, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we rolled 4. We rolled 5. Oh, man. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. We rolled 4. We rolled 5. Now in our pond, what is left?
Let's add it
1,
together.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So now we have 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? So you can do this over and 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 over. You can also do your subtraction. So put all your fish on, start, and take off. Now I'm done. Have a good day. Bye, you guys.